here. Welcome to the channel if you guys are new. If you guys aren't new, hello again. So this here is a channel that's, for those of you that don't know, I'll explain. This is a clothing company that I had started. When I say company, it's just me and my wife sometimes, and you could see my dog sometime helping, two of them. But anyway, this is just a clothing brand. You guys can check the website, www.pedalswithshins.com. But anyway, with all that business aside, I just have another video for you guys here. I'm actually pretty excited. I had a package that showed up on the doorstep today. Pretty excited. I actually wrote them an email just wondering where it was at because I didn't have a tracking number on it, but I guess it's here now, so it doesn't matter. I gotta write them an email. Anyway, was looking into getting a dip tank just to be self-sufficient at home to reclaim screens. In other words, just cleaning off all the emulsion and cleaning off all of the ink and stuff just to start a new screen so I could be more productive. Searching around, the cheapest one I could find was $180 some at River City Supply, which is located in Texas. I had called the guy, placed an order. The guy called me within 5 minutes, so I mean, really kudos to them for giving me a call back. I mean, that's awesome. Called me back, told me, hey, you know what? You're going to probably want it to come from the actual supplier, Easiway, which is the one that I got. So this was a 14-gallon Easiway, could do 2 at a time. So what I had done is I was like, okay, cool. So I waited, didn't get it. Finally, I was like, you know, I wonder what's up. So I sent him an email and then it showed up. So I pulled the trigger and bought it. I already took it out of the box. I was going to do an unboxing, but I'm not really good at live videos, so I had to cut it out again. I'm not want to be like, hey, let me put it back in. So it comes in a box, has 20 pounds on it. It doesn't really feel like 20 pounds. So anyway, so I'll show you guys what I'm looking at here. All right, so as you can see here, so this is what it comes with. And it comes with one of these. So it looks like an oversized glue stick. With this, all that is that helps keep the screens in because they're going to want to float. Comes with the lid, and it comes with the actual dip tank. So there's a dip tank, Easiway systems. This can fit 2 in there. It holds up to 14 gallons. For me, I'm a smaller operation, so that's something that I don't mind. I don't mind having something this small. They make bigger ones, but if you're starting out, this is a really good one. Like I said, this is just a video. I'm just showcasing it, but this is it. So you can hold it up and everything. Probably get heavy once you put water in it, but I plan on reclaiming all the screens. But so anyway, yeah. So in the meantime, just I'm coming out with another couple shirts here. I'm probably gonna do another blog post, so just keep that in mind. Camera's all fucked up here, but anyway. So if you guys are interested, Jesus Christ, I'm not good at these. So anyway, so for those of you that are interested on the on the clothing brand aspect of it, check out my other videos or check out the website www.pedalswithshins.com. Like I said, I have all my stuff here. I don't ship any of it out. I was thinking about doing some printable, but I don't really know because it kind of defeats the whole purpose of me doing it myself. I have a purple shirt like this. The only difference is it's like that, and I have a bunch of other products on the site. I have a lot of t-shirts, hoodies, pretty much t-shirts and hoodies, but they're pretty cool. They're all hand printed by myself. They're all ran through the dryer here. They're all printed downstairs in the basement. Like I said, I really appreciate you guys spending the time with me and sharing my excitement of getting a dip tank. And once again, if you're on the fence of getting one, $180 will get you a 14-gallon Easiway one from River City Supply. I'll put the link down in the description. Down in the description. You can subscribe if you want. I was trying to be subliminal there, but that's there. I'll put a code in for Peloton. I'm really big on the Peloton right now, and you can guess what my username is. It's Pedals with Shins. Also, I'll put a honey thing in there because I'm trying to see if that works too. You can get $5, I can get $5. So I'll put my code down there for you. And also one more thing too, if you sign in, like I said, I'm trying to promote stuff. So I do have a little bit of a discount for you guys for all you early birds. It's LLC 15. If you didn't know, I got my LLC, so we're a little bit now more formal, I guess. Yeah, so check it out. Anything else you guys need, send me an email, pedalswithshins@pedalswithshins.com, or you can send it through Facebook. I have a Facebook, I have an Instagram. You guys can even sign up for the newsletters. I don't spam the shit out of you. So if you want, everything's running through me. I don't have anybody anywhere else doing it as of right now. But yeah, check it out. So if you guys want to support anybody that's independent like myself, I really would appreciate it. If not, that's okay too. I appreciate the view. Until then, you guys stay safe and you have a good day. Bye.